Welcome to Lotto Tech Hub. In today's video, we're exploring how to set up a more efficient and secure connection using UDP Custom and SockIP Tunnel. If you're looking for ways to optimize your internet connection and manage your data flow more efficiently, you're in the right place. Stick with us as we walk you through a step-by-step setup guide that's easy to follow and educational. Step 1. Grab your phone and open any browser. Head over to the official UDP Custom website. Step 2. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner and select UDP Custom App from the drop-down. Step 3. Enter your Gmail address in the provided field. After approval, you'll gain access to download the app. If you run into issues during download or setup, feel free to reach out in the comments. We're here to help. Step 4. Once approved, download and install the UDP Custom app. Step 5. Launch the app. On the home screen, tap UDP Premium Servers. Step 6. Select UDP Request Servers and fill in the form with your desired username and password. Step 7. Tap Create Server. After it's created, copy the server details and save them using a Notes app for later use. Step 8. Now open the Play Store and install the SockIP Tunnel app. Step 9. Once installed, open the app. On the home screen, tap the gear icon on the left. Step 10. From the protocol options, select UDP Request. Step 11. Input the server information you previously saved. Double-check everything, hit Save, and return to the home screen. Step 12. Tap the Start button to initialize the connection. Verify IP change. To check if the setup is working correctly, you can go back to the UDP Custom app, open the menu, and tap Check IP. And that's it. You've successfully set up UDP Custom with SockIP Tunnel for a more stable and private connection experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe to Lotto Tech Hub for more weekly tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.